Hey guys, I'm back. I don't know why I be getting hot. Easy. Um, but anyways, I'm gonna be doing my lips. I tried the lipstick that I was gonna be using, and it seems like too much paint. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it with the pencil because it kind of like balances the pink out. And with my eyes, I thought the video was recording with my eyes, but I used Air Light eyeshadow Santee. Oh shit, my bad. But I used this pink in the corner right here, and I used this purple right here. But and this was the finish of my eyes. It didn't like the other pink fade in a little bit. That's probably because I ain't put no primer or something. I was doing my research, and primer I guess makes your makeup stay on. And I decided to do the little wing. Okay, I'm guilty for watching people videos. So what? I've been watching. So what? But anyways, back to my lips, because like I said, with my lipstick, I don't want it to overpower. I already have enough pink going on with my eyes and my hair, so I'm gonna kind of like outline my lips and just take it in a little bit. I don't want it to be too dark, just enough. And I want it to be like a light pink. Almost like, kind of like nude, but not, like that nude, like a nude pink. And that's pretty much it for my lips. Like I said, I don't want it too much, just enough. And this is my face, my makeup. I be getting like, that's why I said I don't really like do any moisturizing on my face, because I don't need it unless I use my soap in my previous video. But other than that, this is my eyes. Ew. Look at me. Look at me. Ow. I don't know how to act, y'all, but that's okay. Thank you for watching my video. If y'all felt like it was helpful in any type of way, if I touched anybody, if I helped anybody, if y'all have any questions, any ideas, please share any ideas that y'all have. Like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.